What's up guys, Miguel here with a quick video on this 3rd gen 4Runner. Originally got it for my daughter, but it was too big for her to drive around, so I ended up getting her a Miata. Recently just installed this Gobi ladder. Ordered it from Amazon through Driver Mods. I'll post an Amazon link for that. 26 days was the time it took to get to me. And then the last mod that we did was yesterday. We did the rough country 3-inch lift, and then what I also did was also installed the energy suspension sway bar links. This is on 265/75/16s Vision wheels. Ended up buying a full-size spare. Then I've got one of these cheap Amazon bull bars, and then some Piaa LED fog lights. This is pretty much what it looks like on the outside. Inside is pretty clean. I have like 301,000 miles in this car. And since my daughter didn't want it anymore, I decided to just kind of mess around with it. It's not 4-wheel drive, but I'm probably not gonna take it out anywhere serious. 70 my dash cam, Broadway mirror. Interior in this car is pretty clean. I repainted the roof rack that came with it. Painted it to match the Gobi ladder, just so that it'll look better. Nice install on the Gobi ladder. Still have the box for the rough country set in the trunk. It's good for tools. I got tools, water bottles for my plants, more tools. I'm usually don't have this and then just have those things in the car, but for the most part it's a very clean car. I love it. Under the hood, we've done a lot of the maintenance on it already. Went with the Gates kit. It's got the Spiker strut upgrade, and then it's got the Scarab off-road hood light. Engine's a little bit dusty, haven't really cleaned it in a while. Denso radiator, it was pretty cheap at homedepot.com. G+ silicone radiator hose, and a new battery. Yeah, for 300,000 miles, this is actually a very nice looking engine. I cleaned the engine bay when I first got it, including everything literally under the hood. Timing belt, water pump, and thermostat was done when I bought the car. And pretty much that's what it looks like. No K&N filter on the inside. The sticker was just there, and so I just decided to leave it. It's got the LED headlights, and that's what it looks like. Post an Amazon link on all of the things that are on the truck. And if you guys were wondering what the rough country 3-inch lift kit looks like, that's what it looks like. It's a little bit lower in the back right now. If it doesn't settle perfectly, I have like 1.5 inch spacer that came with the car. We removed it yesterday. We removed it yesterday from the spring set, but it's gonna be this. So if it works, it works. If it doesn't settle, then I will put that. That's what it looks like on the bottom. full-size spare. And what I'm gonna be working on next are gonna be the sway bar end links. I'm gonna change them all new, and then control arm bushings and ball joints. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. This is a long video. Thanks for watching.